Land surveying is an essential aspect of any construction project, and in the city of Itanagar, the services of a reliable and experienced land surveyor are crucial. One such reputable company providing land surveying services in Itanagar is Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. With their expertise and professionalism, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has established itself as a trusted name in the industry. As a land surveyor in Itanagar, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offers a wide range of services to cater to the specific needs of their clients. These services include boundary surveys, topographic surveys, construction staking, and more. By using advanced surveying equipment and techniques, they ensure accurate measurements and detailed data collection. This information is then used for various purposes, such as designing and planning projects, resolving property disputes, and determining land boundaries. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of precision and efficiency in land surveying. Their team of highly skilled and trained professionals ensures that every project is executed with utmost accuracy and attention to detail. They are well versed in the latest surveying technologies and software, which enables them to deliver high-quality results within the specified time frame. In conclusion, when it comes to land surveying in Itanagar, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a trusted partner. With their professionalism, expertise, and commitment to delivering accurate results, they have earned a reputation for being one of the top land surveyors in the area. Their comprehensive range of services and ability to integrate with other aspects of construction make them an ideal choice for any project. Whether it is for boundary surveys, topographic surveys, or design and engineering solutions, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a reliable option for all land surveying needs in Itanagar. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a renowned company that offers land surveying services in Itanagar. As a land surveyor in Itanagar, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is dedicated to providing accurate and reliable surveying solutions to both residential and commercial clients. With their team of experienced and skilled professionals, they utilize the latest technology and equipment to ensure precise measurements and mapping of the land. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of land surveying in various industries such as construction, real estate, infrastructure development, and land management. Their expertise in this field enables them to deliver comprehensive survey reports that are essential for planning, design, and development purposes. When it comes to land surveying in Itanagar, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd follows a systematic approach to ensure quality results. They begin by conducting a thorough analysis of the project requirements and objectives. This helps them to determine the most suitable